Hello everybody and welcome to my channel. Today we are going to view the Quadro NVIDIA P4000 graphics card. As you see here, I have two cards of that. These cards have in the front here 4 times the DisplayPort connection. You see that here, and then on the back side you see screws. That's for an extension for a holder. And then one card is flipped upside down. And then, yeah, you also have the PCIe lanes. There are, it's a 16 slot, but I believe it's only PCIe 3.0 or something. And then here you see in the front the SLI connection on the side of the card. There is an SLI connection, not a PCI connection on the one side, not there, not there, but there on the other side. So now it's turned, huh? Now it's in the middle, the copper in the middle. There, that copper in the middle, that's the NVMe, that's the NVMe, no, the SLI link. So there you can see the link. So I will zoom onto it. This piece, that's the NVM, the SLI link. So this is the PCIe Express port 3.0, and then here that copper, this completely in the middle, that's a SLI link connection. So you can connect with the SLI link two cards to each other. So here you see it. This is the SLI link. You see SLI link, there are two connections for the SLI, and then you can connect two cards to each other, and with appropriate software you can use them in series. So you can connect two cards to each other and use them in series or parallel, or how you say it, everywhere via the SLI link. I believe these cards use around 100 watts each, around something like that. So you can use a lot of functions. It's not the newest card, but it's also not the oldest. It can do a lot of things. It's a professional card. So yeah, I have here two. I picked this up second hand because I want to refurbish them, or how you call it. The one fan is making very noisy, and the other fan is a little bit noisy. So I'm going to replace the fan of these, and then I also go to put new thermal pads in it, because there is now there currently is used thermal paste in it, but I'm going to use a thermal pad in it. A thermal pad will always be good, so it will never have to be replaced again. So that's why I go to use that in it, and then yeah, we go to install that in the computer, and then we go to run some benchmarks. But before we do that, I just wanted to show you that. I also want to tell you not to forget to subscribe to our channel, because we are giving away nice prizes to subscribers of our channel. You only have to subscribe, and when you win something you will get notified. We are giving away laptops, Bluetooth stuff, computer stuff, smartphones, all the time, all the good things. You only have to subscribe. That's the only thing you have to do. So please subscribe to our channel, and when you win something you will get notified. And also, if you like this video, please don't forget to like it, because that's important. If you like this video, we can create a lot more of these videos, and we will show it to you. So please hit the like button if you like this. I see you, and bye bye.